Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. Ahambo Ifi Okiche, owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to understand and to speak the Igbo language. So perhaps you've just started learning the Igbo language and you discovered that there are so many ways to pronounce slash spell the same object. Yup, that's called dialects. The Igbo language has so many different dialects. There's the Central Igbo or Standard Igbo dialect. There's the Imo dialect, Anambra dialect, Ngwa dialects, and so many other dialects. My advice to you is to learn the Central Igbo slash Standard Igbo dialect because that's the dialect that is understood by almost everyone who speaks the Igbo language. Once you've mastered the Standard Igbo dialect, then you can go on to learn the dialect that pertains to where you're from. So here's an example. House in Igbo can be said as ulo by the Standard Igbo dialect or uno by the Anambra dialect, and then for Obowo dialect, which is where I'm from, the same house is called uyo. So you can say ulo, uno, or uyo. All right? I know it sounds confusing, but don't get discouraged. You can learn Igbo. Your kids can learn Igbo. Keep trying. Jisike. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.